Hello guys, in this video we are going to solve this simple question, which is a plus 5 to the power 4 plus a plus 3 to the power 4 equals to 82. So here we have to find the value of a. So let's go straight to the point. So the first thing to do here, we are going to look for a mid number, that is a number between 5 and 3. So which number is between 5 and 3? We have 4. So we are going to take 4 and we are going to use it. So 4 is the midpoint between 5 and 3. So let's say x equal to a plus 4. So if x is equal to a plus 4, then a plus 5 will be equal to x plus 1, and a plus 3 will be equal to x minus 1. So from there, the equation becomes x plus 1 to the power 4 plus x minus 1 to the power 4 equal to 82. So now we need to expand this. We need to expand these brackets. But the first thing we should know is, if we have a plus b to the power 4, to expand these brackets, we have a to the power 4 plus 4a cubed b plus 6a squared b squared plus 4a b cubed plus 4b. So this is a constant to expand any bracket which has the power 4. So this is what we are going to use. So let's expand the first bracket, x plus 1 to the power 4 now. So it's going to be x 4 plus 4x cubed into 1 plus 6x squared into 1 square plus 4x into 1 cube plus 1 to the 4, and x minus 1 to the 4 is x to the 4 plus 4x cubed into minus 1 plus 6x squared into minus 1 square plus 4x into minus 1 cube plus minus 1 to the 4. Okay, so now we are going to substitute them back into our original equation. So in the original equation we have to add them. So I'll just add them directly from here. So it's going to be 2x to the 4 plus this 2 will give 0. So we move to the next, plus 12x squared. This 2 will also give 0. So now plus 2 equal to 82. So I'm going to simplify this or bring like terms together. 2x to the 4 plus 12x squared. So I'm going to send 82 to the left hand side. So it's going to be minus 80 equal to 0. Okay, we have a common term. 2 is common everywhere, so we can just divide everywhere by 2. So x to the 4 plus 6x squared minus 40 equal to 0. So now this is our equation. So we can turn this into a quadratic equation by letting y be equal to x squared. So if we let y be equal to x squared, it's going to be y squared plus 6y equal to minus 40 equal to 0. Okay, so now this is a quadratic equation, so we are just going to look for two numbers which will add up to 6 and be multiplied to give minus 40. Okay, so the two numbers, now we need to look for the factors. We can take minus 4 and 10. So we can take these two numbers. If we have minus 4 plus 10, it's going to give us 6. And if we have minus 4 times 10, it will be minus 40. So these are our two values. So now we can substitute them, replace them with the middle value. So it's y squared minus 4y plus 10y minus 40 equal to 0. So now we are just going to pair them. Pair the first two. Y squared minus 4y paired plus 10y minus 40. Okay, so now we can factorize out. We can factor out like terms. So here y is a like term, so y minus 4, and in this bracket 10 is a like term, so y minus 4. Y plus 10 now, y minus 4. So now to get the two values of y is equal to minus 10 and y is equal to 4. But here we are not going to work with negative numbers, so we are going to discard this and use y equal to 4 only. Okay, so now we are going to substitute it. Remember our y was x squared, so it's going to be 4 equal to x squared now. So we put square on both sides, the square root, and x is equal to 2 now. So remember in the beginning, we let x be equal to a plus 4. So that is what we did in the beginning. We let x, sorry, this is plus or minus 2 since it was a square root. So in the beginning, we let x be equal to a plus 4. So now we are going to substitute it back. So we are going to take when x is equal to positive 2, the first case. So 2 equal to a plus 4 and a equal to minus 2. Now we are going to take when x equal to minus 2 equal to a plus 4 and minus 6 equal to a, so a equal to minus 6. So now we have two values of a. So we have a equal to minus 2 or a equal to minus 6. So these are the steps in solving this question. Thanks for watching this video.